Hi, my name is Josh Casillas, owner and operator of American Factory Wheels. And one of the most frequently asked questions is, what is the difference between an alloy wheel and a steel wheel? Aluminum wheels, sometimes called alloy wheels, are built with a blend of aluminum and nickel. The majority of the wheels today are cast aluminum alloy, meaning they're made by pouring melted aluminum into a mold. Steel wheels are made with an alloy of iron and carbon. They are heavier, but they're more durable and can be easier to be repaired and refinished. Because of the way they're made, cut on a press and welded together, they don't offer all the aesthetics and spoke choices of other wheel types. Alloy wheel and steel wheel.